Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something really cool to share with you guys. I'm going to be sharing my current favorites. I love watching videos like this, and I can definitely blame some of my online shopping from watching these videos and discovering my new favorites as well. If you're new here, I'm Jess, and I like to post all of my travels from around the world, food, international food, and now recently I'm taking a turn with my channel and doing more lifestyle things such as this, and also sharing things such as like anxiety, self-love, and tips and tricks when you're traveling. Also, hope you guys don't mind my background. We are currently in my bathroom because we're just now settling into our new apartment, and I'm trying to figure out the best place to film and set up a nice cute background for you guys, so please bear with me. Let's just go ahead and get started with this favorites video. So here's my first favorite, and it is this backpack that I got from one of those Quicksilver stores. I just love how big it is because when I'm walking around, I hate having a purse, especially if I'm having, if I'm carrying around my headphones or my camera or a whole bunch of stuff. I mean, when I'm walking around a city, I like to have a backpack instead of a purse because I can fit so much stuff in here. And the last backpack that I had was actually zipper, and it broke over time. So this one is a drawstring, and it's cloth, and it's tan, and it matches with everything. You can fit so much stuff in here. So yes, this is definitely my first travel favorite of the summer. My next favorite is this curling iron, but it is also a straightening iron. If you push this button down here, it turns into a straightening iron. What I like about it is it has the plug that can be used in America. I don't know the technical term, but if you plug it into one of these converters, you can use this anywhere in Europe and it will not ruin the curling iron. My husband got this for me for Christmas last year, and I've been using it ever since. It makes a really nice curl in my hair, and I believe he got it on Amazon, and it is by the brand Houchi. The next travel favorite are my JBL headphones. I love these things. First off, it's my favorite color, and they're Bluetooth. So when I'm walking around the airport or sitting down and wanting to catch up on some YouTube videos, listen to music, listen to audiobook, there's also a separate cord that you can plug in here that you can plug into a port just like any old regular headphones. And if the battery dies or you want to use it when you're on the airplane, you can do that. I love it because they're really, really comfortable, very easy to pack because these fold in. So I love these things. Now we're going to talk about my favorite travel apps. If you are not hip to using XE currency when you're traveling, get hip to it, because you can add any kind of currency on here. And if you're going out to eat or shopping or something, you can type in, say, €5, and you don't know how much that is in US dollars. Right now, it is equal to $5.82. So now you can keep track of how much you are actually spending of your own currency when you are traveling. You can do any currency in the world, and I love this app because it lets me know if I am spending too much or saving. Next favorite app is Marco Polo. I love this app. It is a mix between FaceTime and Snapchat, and you can send videos to your friends and family who have the same app, and they can be as long as you want, and it's kind of like a walkie-talkie but in video form, and I love it. Me and my girlfriends and my mom have been using it like crazy. It's so nice to catch up with people back home. You know, something different than scheduling a time to do FaceTime or a short little Snapchat. These are long conversations, and I really, really, really love this app. And if you don't have Marco Polo, definitely get it. Whether you're traveling or not, this is an awesome everyday app to use to keep in touch with those that you love. And now we're going to talk about my favorite books. And I love the app Audible. This is no way near sponsored. I totally wish, because I love Audible. And I love to listen specifically to self-development books, and my current favorite is The Year of Yes by Shonda Rhimes. Shonda Rhimes is actually the writer and creator of Grey's Anatomy, How to Get Away with Murder, and Scandal. And she talks about how she always used to be a no kind of person. She would always say no to things because she was just scared to do it. And she committed 1 year to saying yes to anything that somebody asked her. I mean, this is within reason, but it was a very inspiring book because it teaches you to get out of your comfort zone. And when you do say yes to things that you normally wouldn't, it opens up a whole plethora of opportunities. So I really love the message behind that book. books that I love to actually read on my Kindle are thrillers, psychological thrillers. I am such a sucker for them. And Lies That Bind Us has been one of my favorite books that I've read this year. It is about a group of friends who go on vacation in Greece, and somebody gets captured and they're trying to figure out this mystery. It was definitely a page turner, and I got it free on the Kindle app. I think it's still free, but if not, it's about $6 or something like that, and it is such a good psychological thriller, especially for summer reading. Now we are going to move on to my current beauty favorites, and first thing I want to start off with are these earrings. I really have been into these earrings. They're so different and something I've never really seen before, and I know like all the really hip cute Instagram girls wear things like this, and I think I got these at Forever 21. I always get my earrings at Forever 21 for like $5. And then, okay, and you see my second hole there? I have been loving wearing these teeny tiny little gold and silver hoops in my second hole. I saw Zoella, who I love, she does that, and I think it's so cute and adds like a little touch, and I usually don't wear my first hole, and I wear my earrings like that, and I think it's so cute. I also have some silver earrings just like that I love to wear in my second hole. Next is this Essence Pure highlighter. I love this. It's like $4 at Ulta, and it's the highlighter that I have on now. It is such a beautiful champagne everyday highlighter. Like, can you see that? That is just so beautiful. I mean, you can see the glow on my cheeks. And I like putting it on my collarbones and my shoulders. And I love this stuff. It is so good, especially for the price. I've been loving, loving, loving these Jeffree Star nude lipsticks. And this one is in Celebrity Skin, and the other one is Christmas Cookie. I got these around Christmas time, and I'm such a sucker for an everyday nude lip. This is Christmas Cookie that I have on my lips. It's beautiful. And also I love MAC Honey Love. It's this beautiful like brown, creamy nude. It just goes with every single look, and if you don't already have these colors in your nude lipstick collection, I think you need to grab them for sure. Next, my favorite foundation has been this NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Now, I have always been a person that uses drugstore foundation because I'm like, what's the difference? However, I pay 50 bucks for this, and it is worth every single penny. When I wear it, my skin looks absolutely flawless, and I get so many compliments. And this is a pretty nice size of foundation, and it has a pump and everything, and I just love this. This is definitely my new favorite foundation for when I want to have a nice, perfect, flawless canvas. Moving on to dry shampoo. This is definitely an essential to bring with you when you are traveling. I have brought these on airplanes, and nothing has happened. It has not exploded, even though you're not supposed to bring aerosol. I guess I'm a rule breaker, but this is the Batiste, which is the best dry shampoo out there, and it's very affordable, but I got the blonde one. So when my roots are growing out, I spray this on, and it absorbs the oil, but it also adds a nice tint to my roots. It can prolong you from getting your hair done so regularly. So I love using this. It definitely does add a tint to my roots and keeps me from having to wash my hair every single day. It's skincare that I've been loving, and these are both by The Body Shop, which I believe is one of the best brands out there. I know everybody's skin is different, but this is what has worked for me. This is the Vitamin C Facial Spray by The Body Shop, and I spray this on my face in the morning and at night. It has just evened out my skin tone, and it smells so good. It wakes you up, and it's just amazing. I really, really love this, and you can also set your makeup with this. Next is my holy grail face serum. I never used a face serum for a long time, but since I got hip to it, this is an overnight serum vitamin E oil, and I just actually like put it on my face, the dropper. I do like a half amount, and I just rub it into my skin, and I also think that it has just added so much life to my skin, evened out the skin tone, and helped with breakouts. I will probably be using this for an extremely long time because I haven't found anything better than this. Love this stuff. Add this to your nightly routine if you need a little change. I forgot to add this to my little fashion part of the haul, but these are my favorite sunglasses. You have been seeing me wear these in all of my videos. These are the Key Australia by Desi Perkins High Key Fade aviators, and I love these things. She has so many different colors. She's got gold, silver, a green fade, which are the next ones I want, and I just love these things. Love them. Favorite sunglasses of all time. My last favorite of the summer is this Tiki Hut matcha tea powder. And I love matcha tea lattes. They are so flavorful, but they can be expensive if you go out and buy them every single day. So why not make your own? So I got this on Amazon. It was about $10 and it's 50 servings. You take about a teaspoon of it, mix it in with a little bit of water, whisk it with a fork, or if you have one of the matcha blenders, use that, and then you add your hot water, and it is so delicious. I add a little bit of vanilla stevia and a splash of almond milk, and it's so good. It's a nice little pick-me-up. It is actually, I believe that it has the same amount of caffeine as coffee or a little bit less. And if you want to make an iced matcha tea latte, you take a teaspoon of this, your almond milk, and put it in a shaker bottle and shake it up so that the matcha powder dissolves, and then pour it over ice, add your sweetener, and you're good to go. I just love this stuff. It's so delicious, and it's by the brand Tiki Hut. So those are my current favorites of the summer. I really hope you like this kind of video and that maybe you guys are gonna go online and do a little shopping now. Please tell me down below what you are loving, or if you've tried any of these products. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I am posting content twice a week now. I have been loving filming for you guys. So until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.